everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below, which you may most likely have on this one. Be sure to hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some great membership perks on there, as well as an awesome merch store. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. This is a sizing video. Most of you have found my channel through my Yeezy slide video. This time around, it is still sort of a slip-on slide, but this time this is from the Fear of God main line division, which is the new California slip-on or mule shoe. So let's jump into it. I've got two different colorways. I've got the cream as well as the concrete. As you may know, this came in 5 different colorways and it sold out quite fast. These are also doing pretty well on the resale market, but I do believe he is obviously going to be relaunching these California slides in the near future. So this is definitely a video you're going to want to stay tuned and watch from start to finish, because the sizing is a bit crazy on these. So just so you know, in comparison for size reference, the cream colorway is in Euro sizing, a size 39, and the concrete is a Euro size 40. So this comes in European sizing, not really in US sizing on the site. So you'll definitely want to know your EU size. I'm gonna give my EU sizing for what I go for in Nikes, which is a 7.5 in men's or a 9 in women's. And as far as this goes, I wanted to get a size 40 and 39 since I typically am a size 40.5 in Nikes, and I am a 40.5 in the Yeezy slides. So just so you can kind of gauge what size I am to decipher which size will work best for you. I also, as far as a foot shape and size goes, I have very narrow, high arched feet. So if you do have wider feet that are flat, this may actually differentiate as far as what size is going to work best for you. So let's go through the sizing, starting with the cream, which is a size 39. You'll notice a key difference is how much bigger the size 40's box is. It's pretty dramatically different for some reason. But as far as the sizing goes, the size 40 is much larger than the size 39. So out of the two, I specifically would go with a size 39, which for me would be actually sizing down a full size. So again, typically a 40.5 and Nikes and Yeezy slides. This time I decided to go a full size and a half technically down to get to that 39. This is because there are no half sizes as well. So just so you know, if you are going and hopping on line trying to get these slides, you are unfortunately not going to be able to go for half sizes. So do keep that in mind, which is why I went a size and a half down on this one. So I actually have put a piece of tape here so that you know when my heel is actually hitting the back of this mule, this is where my toes actually hit. So I do have a little bit of space up above for my feet to move around, and then when my toes are actually touching the front of this slide on, I actually can put 2 fingers worth behind my actual heel. So I've got about this much room. Again, you can wear these without socks or with socks. That is with actual socks on. But I do plan on probably wearing this with socks and without socks depending on the season. So when we go to the size 40, I'm going to show you the difference here. So my toe actually hits way back here. So there is a lot of room there, which is fine if you are planning to just rock probably some thicker socks because your feet will slide around in these. But there is a lot of extra space in the concrete colorway, which again is a size 40. And when I do have my toes at the front of this, I can actually fit 3 fingers worth behind my heel. So a lot of extra room. And let's talk about the depth right here. So as far as the top of my foot goes, I actually would say that this is about a half of the width of my finger on the top. So I do have a little bit of extra space again on the top of my foot. But again, I do have very, very thin feet. So that could also differentiate for you. I do have an entire finger's worth of width above my foot on the size 40. So definitely a lot more room to go around in the size 40. All right, so hopefully you will all find the perfect fit for you in the Fear of God California slip-ons. I think this is one of my favorite year-round shoes I'm going to be wearing, and definitely again just a reminder, I went a full size and a half down. If you do have any questions or concerns before buying these, as you know, these are pretty pricey. They went for $195, and if you are looking to pay for them on the resale market, you're definitely going to want to know what size you should go with. So definitely leave me any comments or questions down below. If this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up. If you were new to the channel for the first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, because we have so much heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out our join button for those amazing membership perks, as well as feel free to check out our merch store. All right, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned as we will be putting out a video on what is my favorite slide of the summer. Is it the Foam Runner? Is it the Yeezy slide? Or is it the California Fear of God slip-ons? I don't know. You'll have to find out. So until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.